Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to a very important topic, logarithms. In the examination point of view also it was very important. Page number 21. Example 11. Expand 343 by 125. Expand. Log. Log 343 by 125. Already in the introduction I gave the some formulas also, laws of logarithms already gave. So it is in the form of log a by b. Log a by b formula like this. So log a by b can written as log a minus log b. Log a by b can written as log a minus log b. So this can be written as log 343 minus log 125. Log a minus log b form like that. So log 343 can written as 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7 minus log 125 can written as 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So here another formula, that is log a to the power of m, log a to the power of m, log a to the power of m formula. What is the formula of log a to the power of m? M log a. The power is transferred to move. M log a. So this can be written as 3 log 7 minus this can be 3 log 5. Okay. Now what is the common here both? 3. 3 into log 7 minus log 5. That's it. Somebody is written log 7 minus log 5. 7 minus 5 2. So log 2. No, it is not correct. Log 7 is the one number. Log 5 is the one number. Okay. Log 7 minus log 5 not subtracting. Okay. That is the example 11. What is the example 12? Write 2 log 3 minus plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single form, as a single logarithm. Here a single logarithm can expanding. Here the expanding can written as single logarithm like this. Okay. Now this is in the form of here three terms, 2 log 3, 3 log 5, 5 log 2. The three terms in same formula, that is m log a. M log a formula like that. So m log a can written as log a to the power of m. A to the power of m can written as m log a. M log a can written as log a to the power of m. So here log 3 the square plus log 5 cube minus log 2 to the power of 5. The before number transferred to power. Okay. Next. Log 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3. 9 plus log 5 cube 125 minus log 2 power 5 32. These two. This is in the form of log a plus log b. What is the log A plus log B? Log AB or A into B. The two numbers multiplied. So log 9 into 125 minus log 32. Okay. Log 9 into 125. 1125 minus log 32. What is the formula like that? Log A minus log B. Log A minus log B is the formula for log A by B. So, log 1125 by 32. That is this is single logarithm. This is expanding. Okay, this is the sum. The next one is example 13. What is the example 13? Solve 3 power x is equals to 5 to the power of x minus 2. Solve 3 to the power of x equals to 5 to the power of x minus 2. Find the value of x. That is solved. Look at the board, students. It is very important. So this logarithms topic. Okay. 3 power x equals to 5 to the power of x minus 2 is given. Okay. Take logarithm on both sides. Take log on both sides. Okay. Log 3 to the power of x equals to log 5 to the power of x minus 2. Which formula like this? Log a to the power of m is equals to, what is the formula? M log a. So, x log 3 is equals to x minus 2 log 5. This is power. Okay. X log 3 is equals to, multiply with log 5, these two numbers. X into log 5, x log 5 minus log 5 into 2, 2 log 5. Okay. Minus 2 log 5 transferring to this side. Minus 2 log 5 transferring to this side, plus 2 log 5. 2 log 5 equals to x log 5 minus, x log 3 transferring to that side, minus x log 3. Okay, what is the common here? X. X take a common, log 5 minus log 3. So, x into something. Okay, 2 log 5. X equals to x into something. So, this transfer to this side, division. So, 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. This is the x value. Okay. The last one is, and the very most important 2 mark sum. Example 14. Find x if 2 log 5 plus half log 9 minus log 3 equals to log x. Here some values is given, but here x is given. So what is the value of x? First, this expansion can be converted into single logarithm. Okay. It is in the form of which formula like this? M log A. M log A. What is the formula? Log A power M. So, log 5 square plus log 9 power 1 by 2 minus log 3 equals to log x. Okay. Log 5 square. Log 5 square means log 5 5 25 plus log 9 power 1 by 2. 9 power 1 by 2 means root 9 or 3 square whole power 1 by 2. 9 can written as 3 square whole power 1 by 2 minus log 3 equals to log x. Log 25 plus 2 cancelled. Okay, numerator 2, denominator 2. So, log 3 minus log 3 equals to log x. Here plus log 3 minus log 3. Both are same means cancelled. So, log 25 equals to log x. So, in the place of log equals to log, what is the x value? 25. Therefore, x equals to 25. This is very most important 2 marks sum. Okay. Examples are over. Now, exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. First one. Determine the value of the following. First one. Log 5 base 25. So, this one. Log 5 to the power of 1. 5 can written as 5 to the power of 1. Here log 25. 25 can written as 5 square. Okay. Here 5, here 5. Same numbers. Log a to the power of m, a to the base a to the power of n is equals to m by n. This is the one formula. Okay. So, this value is 1 by 2. Second one. Log 3 base 81, which is also log 3 to the power of 1 base 84 can written as 3 to the power of 4. So, the same formula 1 by 4. Third one. What is the third one? Log 1 by 16 base 2. Log 1 by 16. 1 by 16 can written as 2 to the power of minus 4. Okay. 2 can written as 2 to the power of 1. So, the same formula minus 4 by 1 is equals to 4. Fourth one. Log 1 base 7. Here 1 you write, base any number you need. You will take any number. That value is 0. Log 1 base a is equals to 0. That is the formula. Fifth one. Log root x base x. Okay. Log Root x can written as x power 1 by 2. X can written as x power 1. So 1 by 2 by 1. And the denominator 1 means you write same number. If you divisible by 1 for any number gives the same number. So 1 by 2. Sixth one. Log 512 base 2. Log 512. 512 can written as 2 to the power of 9 base 2 to the power of 1. So 9 by 1 is equals to 9. Okay. Seventh one. Log 0.01 base 10. Okay. Log 0.01. This can be written as 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means 10 power minus 2. So 10 power minus 2 by 10. 10 power 1. So minus 2 by 1 is equals to 2. And eighth one. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Okay. Log 8 by 27 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 cube 8. 3 cube 27 base 2 by 3 whole power 1. That is 3 by 1 equals to 3. The total all sums depending upon this formula only. Log a power m base a power n is equals to m by n. And the last one is ninth one. 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. Okay. Eighth one, seventh one, second one. It was very important 1 mark sums. Ninth one. 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. Okay. It is one exponential form. A to the power of x. A to the power of x equals to some n. That is exponential form like this. This can be converted into logarithmic form. How to convert the logarithmic form means log n base a is equals to x. A power x equals to n is the exponential form. This exponential form can be converted into logarithmic form like this. A to the power of x equals to n. That implies log n base a, same basis, is equals to x. So here also like that, it is n. This exponential form is equals to n, for example. So logarithmic form conversion. Log n base a base 2 is equals to, okay, or x, you will take any number, 2 plus log 3 base 2. Okay. Log n base 2 equals to, I can written as 2 is the 2 into log 2 by 2. Same number, that value is 1 plus log 3 by 2. Okay. Log a base a is equals to 1. That is a formula also. I said in the introduction. So I take log 2 base 2 because here is also 2 is there. So I will take the 2. It is in the form of m log a, m log a form. So log 2 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2. M log a equals to base in any number a equals to some x anything. So log a to the power of m, that formula like this. So log 2 square 4 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. What is the formula like this? Log a plus log b. Log a base x plus log b base x is equals to log ab base x. So log 4 into 3 base 2. Okay. Log 4 3s 12 base 2. Log n base 2. So in the place of log base 2 is 2 equal. What is the value of n? Therefore n equals to 12 or x, anything. Okay. This is the very most important 2-mark sum. Okay students, thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss about second Roman onwards. Thank you.